Everybody, I want to talk about the Greenworks 40-volt 16-inch push mower. I was able to test this out for the last several weeks. So I'm going to talk about how to put it together, what it comes with, how it performed, and if I would recommend it. As you can see, it comes in a box like this. Out of the box, you're going to get your battery charger right here, and it comes with one 40-volt lithium-ion battery. This is a 4 amp hour. They say it has about a 35-minute runtime, and you can cut up to a quarter-acre, which seemed to be the case for us. I think it actually lasted more for us, about 40 minutes, maybe 45 minutes each time we used it. But again, we're stopping and starting every now and then to go from the front yard to the backyard. Battery comes with a charging light, so you can kind of see what the charge is. To put the battery in the charger, all you have to do is slide it in place, and it locks into place. You just press the button to take it out. So once you get it, just fully charge it. Out of the box, all you really had to do was put the handles on. And the way you do that is you use these lock levers here. So you pretty much loosen these, take them apart, and then you can tighten the lock lever. It has two height adjustments here. So you get the height you want. Put the handles on, thread the lock lever through the holes, and then you can just tighten it down. And then once you get it fairly snug, you can just lock it into place, just like that. Other than that, it's just pretty much putting the battery in the compartment. The way you do that is you just lift this up. There's a little track there for the battery to slide on, and that clicks into place. Close the top, and you're pretty much ready to go. And to take out your battery, all you need to do is lift up this door, press the button, slide it out, and then you're ready to go charge it. With this battery, you don't have to worry about any cords. You don't have to worry about any gas, fumes, gunked up carburetors or spark plugs. As long as you keep that battery charged, you're good to go. That's another nice thing about these battery-powered lawnmowers. This has two features. It has a mulching feature and a rear discharge into a bag feature. We did both mulching and bagging. This also has an easy height adjustment. All you have to do is take the height adjustment bar, pull it towards you, and you can move it down, or you can move it up. It is fairly lightweight if you need to move it, get into your car trunk or carry it into your garage or whatever. Has a nice handle here. And the next thing is pretty much using it. Now this tricked me at first, but you're supposed to press the button, then pull back the handle. With a lot of conventional mowers, you pull the handle, then you try and start the engine, but this is the opposite. So all you have to do is press the button, then pull the handle. Release the handle to turn it off, and you're pretty much good to go. Oh, they say 120 minutes to recharge the battery, which seemed to be the case. So again, this is good for a quarter-acre on one charge. If you have more than that and you want to buy this model, you can just buy another battery or wait and recharge the existing battery. All right, comes with this nice bagger. I usually don't like to bag unless I'm trying to get some clippings for the garden to keep weeds down, or if I want the yard to look really nice. But the mulching actually does a good job of just mulching the grass back into the yard. To put the bagger on, all you have to do is lift up the back compartment. There's a plug there, a mulching plug. You just pull that out. The one thing I wish this mower had was a place to keep the mulching plug on the mower. It would have been nice if they had like a little place where you plug this on, but there isn't that I know of. So just keep this in a safe place if you want to use the bagger. And to use the bagger, all you do is after taking out that mulch plug, you lift up the back. And this has these two little bars on the side. There's two slots for that. You just lift up the bag like this and lock it in place and put this down, and you're ready to bag. Really easy. To take off the bag, just lift up the back, pull up, and then you can empty your bag out. You want to see the other side here. You can see it's regular single blade, and that blade does a good job of mulching. Down the road, if you need to sharpen this, you can sharpen this blade. Now, how did this perform? We actually used this on very tall grass, and I wasn't sure what to think at first, but it actually did really well. It cut through tall grass, no problem, just like my gas mower. And even though it's quieter and you don't think it's as powerful, it did a really good job of cutting the grass. And we actually had some tall grass in the side yard that we bagged, and it did a really good job of that as well. The one thing about bagging, sometimes the grass can get plugged, caught up here in the chute that goes to the back. So just something to think about if you have wet grass. Again, I just like to mulch and put the grass back into the yard. But this performed really well during my testing. I was pretty impressed with it. Now, who would I recommend it for? I'd probably recommend this for people with pretty much a quarter-acre yard. Whatever you can mow in about 45 to 50 minutes or less, unless you want to get another battery and maybe have some more Greenwork batteries for the whole Greenwork family of products. So if you have more than one battery, then you're good for mowing up to maybe half an acre with 2 batteries. So I'd recommend this for people with a quarter-acre if you just have 1 battery. And it did do really well. I was impressed with it. I like how lightweight it is. I didn't really have any complaints about this. I've done some other reviews on the Greenworks weed whackers, which performed really well. I do like the brand. And yes, I was happy with this and I do recommend it. Really easy to set up, really easy to get going, easy to charge up. So I don't really have any complaints. This was a pretty easy review for me to do. So if this was helpful, please like and subscribe and check out my other lawn garden tool videos. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching and happy mowing.